Hello guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in not today's newspaper, because today is Sunday actually. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, October the 2nd, yes, 2021. We have one puzzle left. The puzzles I have solved are the ladder Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, the 4 stars. Those are I've solved those yesterday, and the binary. And one puzzle left. Tectonic with 1 star. And this 1 star puzzle, let me position the camera, will be a number. Let me focus the puzzle. This one will be number 3, 4, 8, 5. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Should be an easy one. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single boxes are always a 1. I see here 2 single boxes. Always a 1, the single box. Dual boxes. Do we have any dual boxes in this Tectonic with 1 star? Yes, those 2 boxes. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. I see here 1 triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this triple box. The 1 and the 3 are left. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. And remember, if you see a triple box, the inside box of the middle box, the inside box, is always the 4 or the 5. Okay, 4 or the 5. Triple box. Do we have more triple boxes? No. Quadruple boxes. I see here the quadruple box. And I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. No quadruple boxes more. No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, construction, whatever you name it. For example, this shape, let me draw this. Let me draw this shape. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. It's connected. Okay. More of these kind of shapes. Yeah, here. This shape. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. Oh, here another one. Wow. 4, 5 of them. Yes, this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? The L shape. Yes, we have here the L shape. And remember, if you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Okay. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. There aren't any L shapes. But I see another shape here. This shape. This shape. Yes. This shape, if you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah, here, another one. This box has the same number. Oh! Draw the wrong one. It should be here. Uh, draw this one. Okay. Okay. So it should be this box. Has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 3. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, those are the shapes or figures or structures or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. There are only 3 in this puzzle, but there are more, but not in this puzzle, that you need to recognize. Then it's very easy for filling the numbers. That's the next step. So the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. All right, so let's get started. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. So we also have 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. That box can also not be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then let me see. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. And this box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Those 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those, 3 and 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. because we have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 or 4. These 2 boxes can be a 2. In this quadra box, I need a 2. So those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2. Wait. I need a 1 in this quadra box. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. This box. These 2 boxes are left for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number. Oh, this box cannot be a 4. Should be a 3. The same number. The same number. And I've made a mistake. Should be a 3. Correction. So this box should be a 4. Alright, almost made a mistake. Then. So this should be a 3. I think this box should be a 5. Because I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. We have a 4 there. So this box should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Of course, this box is connected with each other. So it should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be a 3. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 and 4. Then this box cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 3. So 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. 1 box left in this L shape for number 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Alright. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. This box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, so 1 digit left should be a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic. And I like this one. Yes, Tectonic with 1 star. Definitely a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus. to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the ladder Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Also a playlist for the heavy, medium, light, killer, or quintuplets. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. Yeah, we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.